Okay guys, so it's Sunday morning. I wanted to come out and show you guys just how bad it's gotten. So yeah, the storm is now in full effect. Everything that was shoveled that I showed you guys before is now back covered and more. So everything is covered, the cars, everything. No plows have been out yet, and the snow is just coming and coming and coming and coming, guys. It's a really bad storm. So we canceled our nail shop appointment. We canceled everything. We're not going outside today at all. And really, if you don't need to be on the roads, you really shouldn't be. It's just way too dangerous. Man, I haven't seen this much snow in years.